So welcome back guys, today is Sunday and it's a very hot day because there is no electricity, no light at our home. So due to this, it's a very beautiful day. No light, no electricity. So guys, to be serious, right now I'm going to Mumbai via Atal Setu. Hello guys, today is Tuesday and right now we are work from home day. So we have completed the third Korean drama, which is Bloodhound Part 1 and Part 2, the Season 1 and Season 2 of both the series. It was a very power packed series, full of emotion, full of actions, full of drama, all in one. Guys, one thing I really noticed that I kept touching my nose when I talking. I should avoid that because it is not good for the vlogging thing. And here is the climate, overcast, no sunny day today. So yesterday while returning to home from the Atal Setu, which is also called as Trans Harbour Sea Link, and it was raining very heavily. It was very stormy. The rain was very stormy, heavy rains, all dark clouds. Everything else was dark. The visibility was almost second to none. So it's raining very heavily outside, and it's literally raining cats and dogs from yesterday. And I'm feeling very nice because this is the end of the month. The July will be starting tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 1st of July, and this is the month when it rains very heavily and it fills all the water reservoirs, dams, and various other water bodies. So I'm very happy that it's raining. Uh, so I hope this El Nino effect doesn't come back. I came to the solution, to my kind of solution to improve my memory skills, because one thing I suddenly lack is focus. So how did I came to this thing? How did I not able to recollect? Because when I do something, I don't do it with focus. I just read it casually or listen it casually. So the one thing is right now I will be implementing right now will be active listening. So active listening is a very important thing when you are in communication. You need to gather that data. If someone is speaking, you need to categorize, analyze, summarize. You need to do everything when you are listening. So when you are actively listening to the person who is talking to you, or even even if you are watching a short reel, a short informative video, or a short video, or any kind of communication, the main important thing is we right now will implement active listening. So right now we will be focusing on becoming elite, because right now we are not doing the things like we wanted to. We are just enjoying the time, and but when it is not the time when you are enjoying, but it is the time when you are working and you are creating content. So definitely we need to focus on the things which really matter, and need to categorize and prioritize which the things which doesn't matter. So we must focus on the goals and not on something stupid, because life is once and you have to live it one shot. Guys, this is our sceneries of the night time. Good morning. What a misty morning it is. Shimparo, Shimparo. So good morning. It's a brand new day. Today is Wednesday, and right now we are going to office. It's not raining at the moment, but it can at any moment. So officially, I can declare the monsoon season has picked up. Almost got 5 minutes to go. 10:55. Hello guys, good morning. The climate is pretty dark outside. As you can see, the time is 7:30 in the morning. Check out the weather. A huge comeback by the monsoon season. So as you can see, the rain has slowed down a little bit, and we have left home, moving towards the highway. So today is 2nd of July, and right now we are moving towards the main road. We are almost there, as you can see, and it is raining very nice.